Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily create the heart shape transition in ShotCut apps. So the first things that you need to do is add your clips or photo like this and just click on the transition here, the white box in between the clips, and then to add the heart shape transition, find the mask tab, and here just choose the one you want. So for the heart shape, I'm going to use the heart 2. Okay, this one, heart 2. Okay, you can adjust the duration. I'm going to go with 1.5 and click on apply to all, then click on a check icon. So this will be the result. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.